Before your new Respironics Dreamwisp CPAP mask whisks you away to dreamland, you need to assemble it first, so let's get started. Remove every mask part from the packaging and inspect each piece for any damage. Then, pick up the cushion and place it into the frame. Press the cushion until you feel it snap into place. Next, attach the sizing connector to the end of the frame by snapping the ends of the frame tubes into place. Place the elbow into the sizing connector and then slide the tubing quick release on the end. This is where your CPAP tube connects to the mask. Attach your headgear to the frame by attaching the end of the headgear to the magnetic clips on the frame. Do this on both sides. Slide the right tab at the top of the headgear into the slot on the right side of the frame. Then loop it backward and press down on the tab to secure it. Repeat this process on the left side. Unclip one of the magnetic clips from the frame to put your mask on. Place the cushion over your nose and then pull the headgear over your head. The elbow should be at the top of your head. Then reattach the magnetic clasp and put the headgear tabs back to tighten the mask. The straps at the bottom of the headgear can be tightened as well. The seal should sit comfortably around your nose without blocking your nostrils. The mask should not feel tight. To remove your mask, press the buttons on the tubing quick release to detach from the CPAP hose. Then, remove the magnetic clips and pull the frame and headgear forward and up. Well done! You've mastered the art of assembling your new mask and removing it.